KLNA 22336, proceed direct Palm Beach, pass over the numbers, runway 10 left at 2000 for your transition southbound to Lantana.
Sorry about that. That was a little bit too much for me for Cherokee 22336. Can you slow it down for me?
And I try to look good and to behave nice and not to fall asleep or nothing. Could have been snoring already. What's the matter with you?
I don't know, I'm just losing. You know, I haven't flown in what? Almost 1 month. But they did a nice job on the door, that's for sure.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
really nice.
Yeah.
I would really tell him, to do the other things.
Yeah.
Slowly, you don't have to do all together.
Yeah, like 205, expect the shoreline transition.
See an airplane somewhere coming right? Same.
11 Whiskey, contact Miami Center, 132.25, just checked in to let them know when you level off at 9. Alright, 32 and a quarter.
Very close.
9 for 11 Whiskey. Have a great day, thanks for the help. 226, Tango Mike, contact Miami Center, 132.25. 132.25.
Thanks, good with me. Apollo Cherokee 22336 at 3000.
22336, Palm Beach approach, roger.
So we got the camera, you look good.
486 uniform,
Okay.
contact Miami Center, 132.25.
How far are we?
11 minutes.
Okay, not too bad.
Yeah, no.
But I'm getting tired.
Yeah.
You're not really listening to me, are you?
As if you care.
It's 44, contact Palm Beach, 128.3.
Relax. You want me to ask the students to give you, to help you with my
Head rub?
Head rub, yes.
November 22336, Verby Star, make a right turn and join the final for runway 4, straight into runway 4, please.
Right turn to straight in runway 4, Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee 336, to verify it's a full stop.
That is affirmative, it's a full stop, Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee 336, runway 4, continue traffic holding in position.
Continue on the file, Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee 336, runway 4, clear to land.
Clear to land on 4, Cherokee 22336.
Runway 430, say your position again.
About 12 to the northwest right now.
So we're just landing here in Vero Beach. We came to our favorite restaurant, CJ Connors. And
creamer for your coffee.
thank you. And we're gonna have lunch because we're a little bit late and we missed the breakfast side. The flight was not bad. It's beautiful weather, just beautiful. So he asked me what I want you to say. Okay.
I'm not waiting for the answer. So in any case, we are at Vero Beach. We took a 1 month break because I was in Uruguay. So in any case, it seems that your camera is kaput.
No, the battery is kaput.
Okay, the battery is kaput. In any case, I was in Uruguay for 2 weeks. It was a difficult and nevertheless a good trip. I saw a lot of friends and had a good time, relaxed, and got several facials. I wish I could get the cosmetologist here to United States to get always the facials.
Well, what we can do is I could fly there with you to Uruguay,
Sure.
bring her back. It's only going to take us, what, 2-3 months, that's it. That's it.
Sounds good. In any case, happy to be back. And happy to be back. Today it's 13 months since my son has left. But it's not that the pain disappeared, it just, I can take it a little bit better. And, hoping to keep his memory alive, which is most important. And enjoying flying. Today, actually, I didn't fall asleep.
That's a shocking revelation. Totally shocking.
Weather is very nice. Really, such a fantastic fall here to be, or time of the year to be in Florida. It was a great decision to move down here. Very happy about it, and here
Especially
we are.
this time, where in New York they're freezing their butts off. I'm sure starting to. Soon it's gonna snow because it's Christmas.
Well,
Slash Hanukkah.
in any case, it's not about Schadenfreude, which means happiness of the impact, the negative impact or ramification of the people in New York. But hey, I'm still happy to be here in Florida and not in New York. So, that's about it.
Okay, great. Well, see you on the plane.
See you on the plane.
Okay, mi amor. Sorry, I was really nervous with the whole thing here.
Holy crap!
Didn't want to make a mistake on the radios. So, when it's actually in this, especially in this anywhere, it's like I gotta.
tell you, you don't even need this piece to put in to recharge the battery. You just have to put your finger and the thing would start.
Yeah, more. I know you're kidding, but and it's funny, sort of. Remember, I'm a comedian, and you keep on forgetting it, and you want to take away my job. Never.
It's on 1,500.
I say never. But anyway, in a taxi,
Could reduce to your final.
and I first go down,
Correct, final approach, and we do it
then
a field
take off.
plate for you, Bubba.
I gotta have sterile. It's just too much. I gotta figure out, I gotta listen to the radio, what they're saying to other pilots as well.
Approach runway
To have an idea where they are, especially in
Okay, we'll
Montana.
bring the speed right back, and
Instead of baby on board, you should have Ben Fisher on board.
Fisher, Ben, on board. Yeah, true. Aviator Fisher. Fisher, Aviator, Ben. Aviator Fisher. No, Aviator Fisher, Ben. No, Aviator Ben Fisher. So that's like Fisher is my last name. Oh, that's a nice name.
336, remain outside Stewart's Class Delta.
Women outside Stewart Airspace, Cherokee 22336. Approach Cherokee 22336 at 3000.
Cherokee 22336, Palm Beach approach, Palm Beach altimeter 3016.
3016.
Alright, 22336, proceed direct Palm Beach, pass over the numbers, runway 10 left at 2000 for your transmission southbound to Lantana.
Sorry about that. It was a little bit too much for me for Cherokee 22336. Can you slow it down for me?
336, proceed direct Palm Beach.
Proceed direct to Palm Beach, Cherokee 22336.
And November 336, you're going to pass over the numbers of runway 10 left, the west end of the field at 2000 for your transition to Lantana.
Crossover runway 10 left at 2000, transitioning to Lantana, Cherokee 22336.
You got it, thank you.
Thank you.
Air share 250, contact
3000,
center
and she said
132.1532.
the west end. Okay.
have a good day, sure, 250.
West end.
Yes, we'll take as far down as 2,500.
That's a first.
You want to keep us above the chart? Stop at 4.
You know that?
Air 22336, start a VFR descent down at 2000, please.
Descend to 2000, Cherokee 22336.
Air 332, Mike Tango, turn left heading 360.
Left turn 360 to Mike Tango.
Just passed.
Yeah.
Stationer 8647, Quebec, Palm Beach, go ahead.
47 Quebec, we're going to request flight following back to Boca Raton, but we're going to be delaying for some survey work here north of the Palm Beach Class Charlie VFR 3500.
8647 Quebec, squawk 0263.
0263.
take off.
Approach Town Flight 936, 2500, climbing on the T-bird.
Town Flight 936, Palm Beach departure, radar
She's going to tell
contact.
me, go ahead.
Yes, again.
Just radar contact, Town Flight 936.
Thank you.
Okay, I got it. Now she's going to tell me something.
22336, VFR descending to Lantana, your discretion now, radar service terminates, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawk VFR, thank you very much. Cherokee 22336.
Thank you.
Lantana traffic, Cherokee, 3 miles north of field 45 to left downwind, runway 10, Lantana. Lantana traffic, Cherokee on short final, runway 10, Lantana.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.